Hello friends, welcome to my channel online learning website. Today we cover the topic Microsoft Windows and its objective questions and also Microsoft Office objective questions, those for very important for your examinations. The first question is that the dash of software contains list of commands and option. The right answer is menu bar. The second question is a small arrow or blinking symbol on desktop is called a. The right answer is D cursor. Question number third. If text was highlighted and edit copy was clicked, what would happen? The right answer is that A. The text would be copied from the document and placed in the clipboard. The next question number four, at which button is the help menu available? The right answer is B, that is the start button. Question number fifth, you can keep your personal files slash folders in. The right answer is B, my documents. Question number six, data that is copied from an application is stored in the right answer is D, that is your clipboard. Question number 7. All the deleted files go to. The right answer is A, that is your recycle bin. Question number 8. The rectangle area of the screen that display a program data and slash or information is a. The right answer is D, that is your window. Question number 9. That is your a dash contains commands that can be selected. The right answer is B, that is menu. Question number 10. Generally, you access the recycle bin through an icon located. The right answer is A, on the desktop. Question number 11. What menu is selected to cut, copy, and paste? The right answer is B, edit. Question number 12. What is a file? A file is collection of information that has been given a name and is stored in a secondary memory. The next question is when you cut or copy information, it gets placed in the right answer is B, that is your clipboard. Question number 14. Deleted data remains on a disk until. The right answer is B, that is your the recycle bin is emptied. Question number 15. Which is the geographical representation of an application? The right answer is C, icon. Question number 16. The sidebar in a window or word processor that has an arrow on both ends and a box in the middle that you use your mouse to move the page up or down. The right answer is A, that is scroll bar. Next question number 17. Question number 17 says that to shrink a window to an icon. The right answer is B, that is your minimize a window. Question number 18. Something which has easily understood instructions is said to be. The right answer is 18 ka A, that is analog data. Question number 19. That is the portion that shows all the choice you can make while working in a window is called the. The right answer is C, that is your menu bar. Question 20. A dash contains commands that can be selected. B, menu. Question number 21. An dash is small image that represents a programs and instructions, a file or some other object. D, that is your icon. Question 22. A dash is an icon on the desktop that provides a user with immediate access to program or file. The right answer is 22, that is C, shortcut. Question 23. Date and the time are available on the desktop at the. The right answer is D, taskbar. Question 24. A symbol on the screen that represents a disk, documents, or program that you have can select. The right answer is C, that is your icon. Question 25. To maximize a window means to B, expand it to fit the desktop. Question 26. Easy to use, a user friendly. And question 27. Choices are referred to as B, exit. Question 28. A place that a users can create to store files. C, folder. Question 29. Commands at the top of a screen such as file edit, font tools to operate the change things within the program. The right answer is A, the menu bar. 30. That is your to insert a copy of the clipboard contains whatever was the last cut or copied at the insertion point. The right answer is A, that is your paste. Question 31. The command used to remove text or graphics from a document, the information is then stored on a clipboard so you can paste it. B, cut. Question 32 onwards. To move down a page in a document, which D, that is scroll. Scroll to move down a page in a document. Question 33. Screen that comes on when you turn on your computer that shows all the icons. The right answer is A, desktop. Question 34. Each dash on a menu performs a specific action. The right answer is D, command. Question 35. A menu contains a list of tasks. The right answer is 35 ka A, that is your commands. 36. Files are organized by storing them in. The right answer is C, folders. Question 37. Dash is when the more power hungry components such as the monitor and the hard drive are put in idle. The right answer is C, that is standby mode. Question 38. When you install a new program on your computer, it is typically added to the dash menu. That is your A, all programs. Question 39. A dash contains buttons and menu that provides quick access to commonly used commands. The right answer is 39 ka B, that is your toolbar. The next question, question 40. Which of the following menu types is also called a drop down menu? The right answer is 40 ka D, that is your pull down. Question number 45. Question number 41. That is your most application software today comes with an interface called. The right answer is A, graphical user interface. Question 42. Dash shows the files, folders and drives on your computer, making it easy to navigate from one location to another within the file hierarchy. What is the right answer is 42 ka? That is your my computer. Question 43. Question 43 is that dash are lists of commands that appear on the screen. That is menus. Menus are listed of commands that appear on the screen. Question 44. Each dash on a menu performs a specific action. The right answer is D, that is your command. Question 45. A dash uses pictures called icons and menus display on the screen to send commands to the computer system. The right answer is 45. That is your A command based interface. Question 46. The dash allows you to access objects and starts a program. The right answer is C, that is start menu. The start menu allows you to access the object and start the program. Question 47. GUI stands for. GUI stands for graphical user interface. Question 48. What is a Windows Explorer? Windows Explorer is the file manager. Question 49. The dash is the term used to describe the window that is currently being used. The right answer is D, that is your active window. Question 50. Files deleted from the hard disk are sent to the right answer is A, recycle bin. Question number 51. Question 49 का राइट आंसर था डी, एक्टिव विंडो. क्वेश्चन 50 का राइट आंसर है ए, दैट इज रिसाइकिल बिन. एंड नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 51. The copy command saves to. The right answer is D. That is your Microsoft Word. Question 51 का right answer था the copy command saves to. The copy command saves to the clipboard. And question 50 का A, that is your files deleted from the hard disk recycle bin. Question 52. Windows 95, Windows 98 and Windows NT are known as that. That is your D, operating system. Question 53. The taskbar is located B, at the bottom of the screen. Question 54. Generally, you access the recycle bin through an icon located. The right answer is A, that is on the desktop. Question 55. The recycle bin stores discarded items until. The right answer is D, that is your UMPT8. Question 56. A blinking indicator that shows you where your next action will happen. The right answer is B, that is your cursor. Thanks for watching and sharing.